Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making tinola or a chicken soup, and this is a Filipino soup that we usually serve as a main course and we pair it with rice. So let's get started. Olive oil. We have ginger. Minced garlic. We have shallots. One pound of skinless chicken thighs cut into small pieces. Around 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Cover and saute for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Then we're gonna add chicken broth. We have salt, ground black pepper, chopped sugar. Then I'm going to add our sayote, or we can use papaya or green papaya wedges on this recipe. Then we have green chilies. Then baby spinach. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoy and learn something from this video. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you and have a lovely day. Bye for now.